G'day, and welcome to Today is the Present. I am Kiwi and I'm unboxing today. Some of you know I'm off to Australia in under 2 weeks, and I'd like to take you with me so you can see some of what my brother Stuart and I get up to. Guess what just came in the mail? My new Brave 7. Now, I did have a Brave 4, which I returned and have exchanged for the Brave 7. And the reason for that is that this is a little more sturdier, but the main reason is because this is a touch screen, so that on the back, I will find those controls much easier than the Brave 4. That being said, I did figure out the Brave 4, but I think I will be more confident in the Brave 7. So under the box, there's a pull strip. Just pull that off and let the box fall out. On the top, there is a silicone rubber protector that just comes up, and you can see that pulls around. And then it says, give the mount a hard pull. Ooh. So there's a little buckle there. It's actually very hard. Pull it up, and then the camera just slides back as you pull it backwards. Actually, this is far superior to the Brave 4, and I am already thrilled that I decided to give this a try. Wow, that is different. So let's have a look and see what else is in the box. So in the box that it came with, AKASO. What have we got here? We have a quick start guide. Oh wow, there's lots of little things. There's one of the throwaway gel packs. We have that's a lovely remote control. We have a charging cable for the batteries. We have a tool. Oh, wow. Now this is impressive, and this was not in the case for the Brave 4. This is if you drop it, because that's one of the main concerns about the AKASO cameras, is that they break easy. But here we have a functioning case holder, so that if it was to drop, it would have that added protection. So one of the advantages is that the AKASO comes with not one, but 2 rechargeable batteries, and also the battery charger. That's really a great bonus. There's a lot of stuff in here. There's a lot of helmet attachments. There's different attachments for your bike, adding to your bike, adding to all kinds of things. And here we go, that can go on my handlebars if I want to use my either my road bike or my mountain bike. That's awesome, awesome, awesome. What else? Oh, we got just so many little attachments. Okay. We have some attachments for the camera as well, so that keeps it safe on my wrist. And then there's also little straps for the remote control. I'm actually very impressed. What it does not come with is a USB card. No, is that what it's called? That's not what it's called. It's called a SD card. And I know from doing the Brave 4 that when you put the SD card in, it will ask to format it and then go through the menu. But here you have it, unboxed. Let me see if I can show you. Now I get to figure out how to set it all up, charge the batteries, put the memory card in, and we'll take it from there. Thank you. If you want to know how to do that, I can make a wee video of that as well. You take care. We'll see you later. Bye-bye now.